Hello and welcome to yet another video. Today is, before I go on, please do me a personal favor and go down here somewhere and click subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video for you guys. Today is about the TS-940. I just bought this one. It's sitting right underneath the camera because as usual I can't find my tripod, so the camera might not be quite straight, but never mind that. I picked this up recently from a friend of mine who bought a new transceiver and he needed to free up some money, so he sold me this one. I paid £350 for it, which I thought is quite reasonable. It's in fully working order, so I was very pleased getting this classic transceiver. It matches perfectly my TL-940 linear amplifier, and I thought I might complete the lineup. I had several of these before, and well, they're not without complications, I have to say. And if you think about picking one of these up for yourself, you might want to think twice. They're now 40 years old, maybe 45, maybe 35. I'm not too sure. Just look it up on Google and you will find out how old this rig actually is. The amplifier stage is very solid, so is the low-pass filter, the relays are solid, the display rarely fails, the VFO is bomb-proof really. I never had one with a failed VFO. The keyboard can be quite iffy if the radio comes from a smoker. The old rule applies, never buy a radio from a heavy smoker. And that's not to discriminate against smokers, it's just a fact, nicotine sticks, all right? Yeah, the auxiliary display, sometimes the bulb goes or it fades, but this one is in good condition. Now back to the main question is, should you buy one? Well, if you're the type of guy who likes owning an old English sports car and you take it out on a Sunday drive in the pouring rain and the thing breaks down at the roadside and all you have is a spanner in your hand and you need to fix it and you actually enjoy this and have the knowledge, yeah, the same applies for this radio. If you have the knowledge and you can maintain it and you actually enjoy fixing radios, by all means go ahead and get yourself one. Make sure it's not too much in a bad state. The PLL board sometimes fails to work and it needs to be realigned. That in itself is not a big problem if you know how. If you don't, it is a big problem. You need to send in the rig to a qualified technician, and it costs you money, and sending the radio is a problem. It's very heavy and it doesn't like to be shipped, quite frankly. Fingers crossed, if you get a good one, go ahead and buy one. As I said, parts are out there quite plenty. We have almost all of them in stock at all times. The only thing we don't ship are rig cases. It's just they're just too bulky and they tend to bend really. Yeah, I see how far I get with this one, and I'm going to try it out over the next weekend. I need to make some space here in the shack somewhere. I'm running out of space for large rigs like these, and fingers crossed it performs for a couple of hours. I want to run it in RTTY, so that's a good test for its capabilities. Let me know if you have one of these, how you get on with it, if your phase lock loop board ever played up. If you have any other problems, I would be interested to hear from you guys. That's all for me. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. And sorry it took so long to upload another video. I've been taken to hospital. I had some eye surgery. And I'll see you at the next one. Cheers, guys. See you on the bend, hopefully. I can't find the off switch because my eyes are still, hurting. There we go.